Hey there, new to Facebook? No worries. I'm here to guide you step by step on how to create your account. Let's get started. First up, step 1. Open the Facebook website or app. Head over to www.facebook.com on your browser or download the Facebook app from the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhone. Step 2. Click on Create New Account. On the home page, click Create New Account. If you're using the app tab, sign up for Facebook. Step 3. Enter your personal information. Type in your full name, mobile number or email address and create a strong password. Don't forget to enter your date of birth. You need to be at least 13 years old. Lastly, select your gender. Step 4. Verify your account. Facebook will send you a verification code via SMS or email. Just enter the code to confirm your account. Step 5. Add a profile picture. Upload a clear photo of yourself. You can skip this step and add it later if you prefer. Step 6. Find friends. Facebook will suggest friends based on your contacts. You can also search and add friends manually. Step 7. Set up your profile. Add a cover photo, update your bio, education and workplace, and customize your privacy settings. Finally, step 8. Start using Facebook. Post updates, like and comment on posts and join groups. Don't forget to adjust your privacy settings for better security. And there you go. You're all set to dive into the world of Facebook. Happy connecting!